Káàárọ̀, sir.
Báwo ni? Ẹ jókòó. Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé, your assignment.
Oh, yes.
You want me to go first?
Yes, please go first.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ olùkọ́.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ olùkọ́.
Ẹ káàsán olùkọ́. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ olùkọ́. Ẹ káalẹ́.
See, I like the fact that you corrected yourself. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́.
Kúrọ̀lẹ́.
Mi ò gbọ́.
Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́.
Ẹ káalẹ́.
Ẹ káalẹ́.
Ìwọ ńkọ́?
Yes, me.
Your assignment.
Yes, the assignment. No judgment, right?
You would know.
Kakini fún mi, jẹ́ kí n gbọ́.
Yes. Which one? Okay. I'm still learning. Just, okay. Ẹ káàárọ̀ olùkọ́. Ẹ káàsẹ̀.
What?
Ẹ káalẹ́ olùkọ́. Bam.
Uzor. Ṣé o gbà?
No, sir.
What?
Kuba.
Cool. What?
Igweteya.
Bam.
See, you have not learnt your lesson.
So that wasn't good?
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh, okay.
Kase.
So for that, you're going to say that again 100 times.
I'm sorry, what?
That's your assignment.
To say what 100
Ẹ
times?
káàsán olùkọ́, ẹ káàárọ̀ olùkọ́, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ olùkọ́, ẹ káalẹ́ olùkọ́ 100 times. Get out. Get out.
Okay, goodbye.
No,
I'll
wait.
come back tomorrow.
Give yourself now.
Okay. Oh, they didn't tell me that. Okay, ẹ káàsẹ̀.
Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàárọ̀.
Dìde.
That's stand up.
Rárá.
Dìde.
Stand up.
You said
It's you,
I
it's not
should-
me. It's you that you're talking to me. I'm still sitting.
Okay.
Jókòó.
Sit down.
Dìde.
Stand up.
It's because I didn't exercise today. Okay.
Jókòó.
Sit down.
You join me and do.
Jókòó.
Joko.
100 times. Ẹ káàárọ̀ olùkọ́, ẹ káàsán olùkọ́, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ olùkọ́, ẹ káalẹ́ olùkọ́ lọ́la.
Can you write it down?
So today, we're doing ìró ọ̀rọ̀, how words sound. What did I say?
Ìró.
Nice. You've been here for a while. That's nice. Ìró ọ̀rọ̀.
Ìró ọ̀rọ̀. He smiled at me.
Congratulations.
Joko.
Let me get up.
Dìde.
Ọkọ.
Ọkọ.
Oko.
Ọkọ.
Ọkọ.
Ọmọ ìyá mi. Oko is penis.
Ah.
See, let me tell you. You know why you should get this right. I don't want you to go to your in-laws' house and you want to say, I saw your father's farm. You know what that is in Yoruba?
No.
If you don't know how to pronounce Oko and you pronounce it as Oko, you'll be in trouble. So if you want to say, I saw your father's farm, instead of saying Mori Oko Babae, you'll be saying Mori Oko Babae.
But it's the same thing you're saying now.
Go and say it in your lost place. So, Oko is husband.
Oko, yeah.
Ọkọ.
Oko àti ìyàwó.
That's what?
Oko.
Ọkọ.
Husband.
Then, Oko.
Ọkọ.
That is sword.
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 Oko is what?
Husband.
Husband.
Oko is what?
Sword.
Sword.
What's husband?
Ọkọ.
What's sword?
Oko.
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 Ọkọ.
Oko is car.
But it sounds exactly the same like Oko.
Oko, that's what?
Sword.
Husband.
Oh no. Oko is husband.
Then, sword is what?
Ọkọ.
No.
Ọkọ.
Oko.
Ọkọ.
Then, a vehicle or a car is what?
Ọkọ.
Oko.
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 Ọkọ.
Okay, the stretch is on the first ball. Oko.
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 That's what?
Car.
Husband.
Ọkọ.
Oko. Sword.
Oko. Oko.
What are you saying?
We're saying sword,
is ọkọ.
husband, and car.
Oko is whole.
I'm sorry, what?
Hoe that you use to weed.
Wait, so what's sword?
Sword is oko.
Oko.
Dodo.
Dodo.
Now let's go. Oko. Dodo.
Oko.
Dodo.
Oko.
Oko.
What? Hey, Eduro. You see, Yoruba is extremely rhythmic, just like you're singing. So we have do, re, mi. Can you say that?
Do, re, mi.
I'm not asking you to sing.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
Every word you speak in Yoruba, they are all do, re, mi. Every word you speak, do, re, mi. Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
So what you need to do is the word, the way they sound, hum it, and you will get it. So when you have oko,
Oko.
re,
Re, oko.
that's what?
Re, husband.
Husband. Oko,
Oko.
then
Oh.
re, mi.
Oko.
Oko. He's not going to give it to
Ṣé
you.
mo ránṣẹ́?
Yes, sir.
So assignment on that, you're going to say I need voice note.
Okay.
Say oko.
1 minute.
Oko. Gbo.
Just so that I can be hearing it, let me record.
Gba. That's where you're playing.
Oh my.
Oko. Re, dodo.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Kí ló ń ṣe yín?
Sorry, sir.
Má bínú.
Ẹ má bínú.
Ẹ má bínú.
He's older than you.
Ẹ má bínú, sir.
Don't know this thing. Oko. Re.
Get out.
Sorry, bro.
Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí?
Àyà mi. Mi ò lè fi ẹlẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
Mo ń gbọ́.
My turn.
Aya mi ló sọ di àyà mi.
Àyà mi. Mi ò lè fi ẹ sílẹ̀.
Mi ò lè.
Mi ò lè fi ẹ sílẹ̀.
Mi ò lè fi ẹ́.
Mi ò lè fi ẹ.
I didn't ask you to shout.
Stop shouting.
Aya mi ò lè fi ẹ́ sílẹ̀.
Àyà mi, mi ò lè fi ẹ sílẹ̀.
My turn. Oko mi. Oh, okay. My husband. I get it. Oko. Oh, sorry.
Re, oko.
Oko mi. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀lẹ ṣì níbí. Tí wọ́n bí rí wọn máa pa í.
Moremi,
Sir?
kí ló ń kà? Ṣó yẹ?
I know oko mi. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀lẹ ṣì níbí.
Ò lẹ́sìn lọ́yẹ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́ o.
Tí wọ́n bá rí wọn máa pa í.
It's like patois. You're speaking patois.
Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí báyìí torí ọlọ́?
Hey, Gabriel.
Gabi, a kú ojúmọ́ o.
Ọmọ ìyá mi,
Olùkọ́.
ṣàlàáfíà ni.
Dédé lára wà.
Ojú tó rí yí gbọ́.
Jíǹde ara máa jẹ yín bàbá. Àwọn rèé.
Wọ́n mọ nǹkan kan.
Ibo ni lúrú ti dàpọ̀ mọ́ ṣàpà.
Kókó yà mí lẹ́nu. Gbà.
Bàbá ẹjẹ́ àtẹ́kì ní nǹkan mọ bó ṣe ń lọ.
So Gabriel, you're on the film, right?
Ọ̀gá.
Kí ló wí?
You're on the film.
Mi ò gbọ́.
Gabriel.
Ṣé òun pè mí ni? Sọ̀rọ̀ kí n gbọ́.
Moremi, sún sẹ́yìn.
Wọ́n ní oyè. Ṣé òun náà rèé olùkọ́?
Ó ní.
Ní nǹkan kékeré ló ń dà yín láàmú bíi malaria báyìí.
Malaria.
Aya mi ò lè fi ẹ́ sílẹ̀. Ọkọ mi, ṣùgbọ́n ó lè sí níbí tí wọ́n bá rí ẹ, wọ́n máa pa ẹ́. Ìyàwó mi, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ tọkàntọkàn. Èmi náà nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ tẹ̀mítẹ̀mí ọkọ mi.
Tó bá tán.
Now you wan play the two parts. You sure you say you call the read the man, the read the man.
You
You don't call the show yourself.
No,
You
no,
read the guy. You read the woman or man play the guy.
Gbáradì fún.
You can read the woman's one and play the guy.
ẹ ṣeun dúpẹ́. ẹ bí la ẹ kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ kó ojú ọkọ.
Gabi, now you go play the woman, Abi.
Is your replacement.
I don't understand that. What's this now? But Mr. Nee said
Is your replacement. Get out. You too. Out.
You can't play the woman. It's
Did you hear him reading your part? They said all of us should
Don't
get out.
Aka.
oh come
Re.
me.
This guy,
Oh, but you're rude.
na man they do man. Oh.